In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Facebook. So first, let's go to the Facebook application and then tap on menu and then scroll down to settings and privacy and then tap on settings and then go down to privacy, and under this category you could see active status at the bottom. Tap on that and then turn it off. Confirm it. And what this means is that you will not appear online on Facebook, but you will also not be able to see the online status of your other friends. So if you really want to totally be offline on Facebook, you also want to go to Messenger, tap on your profile picture, and then under profile, tap active status and turn it off. And that is how you appear offline on Facebook. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.